Hello there, what is going on? Welcome to Pure Trading. This is the 11th of January, doing the daily diary. So, this is the morning session. This is my daily chart here. We can see here on the previous day it's already been taken out. So, now we don't have a first drawn liquidity, or we're not going to use the daily candle, the previous daily candle, as the drawn liquidity. It's probably going to be up there now, the drawn liquidity at 48.41, but we are already too close to that. So what we're going to rely on now is the DR. So the DR session is already forming. It's we've got 10 more minutes for this thing to form. So the best thing to do is going to be to wait for a confirmation, either long or short, and then just follow that. Also, just to look at the pattern for the week, we can see the pattern of the week here. We have the RDR session for Tuesday as formed below, and then we have an ODR session on Wednesday, which is above the RDR session. This one here is above. So for the week, we are looking to go long, but also today's Thursday, so we're looking for a turnaround Thursday. So which means that prices has been going up and up and up. So for Thursday, we're looking for a turnaround, and then to continue going long for the rest of the week. Okay, so we are 10 minutes into the confirmation here. So we got a confirmation. So now we need to start looking for a entry. So obviously, you can use the 5-minute gaps as entries here. So this is perfect because now you have a turnaround Thursday and you have a confirmation to the short side. So now you really need to try and get short somehow. Yeah, so what we can do is put alerts where we need to sell. You can put your alerts at these 5-minute fair value gaps. Yeah, so that's the way it's gonna go for me for this session, trying to find opportunities to get short. Okay, so we are at about 9 o'clock. We just had the pre-market open, and yeah, everything worked out the way it should have now, because we got your Thursday turnaround here now, and then we had the news coming out, and then the news comes up all the way to the edge of the DR there, and then prices comes down, creates the turnaround, because this year is now your Tuesday's RDR. So that is now completely done. So as far as what it's going to do next, the best thing to do, and probably the only thing to do now, is to wait for confirmations all the time. So if your stop was above here, then that was absolutely perfect. You had your short confirmation, stops above here, and then even in the news, you would be a foot away in this one. Okay, now I'm just looking and learning to see what usually happens after you get the turnaround on Thursday. Does it completely turn around and go all the way back? I think that's what it's going to do. Let's see, all of these fair value gaps to the short side that are now not respected, like this one, and those are all, and the other one, 15-minute. Here's a 15-minute fair value gap here that also is not respected. So let's just have a look and see what usually happens here. This is now a long uptrend. The turnaround happened all the way up until Tuesday's RDR. Let's see how it plays out here. I like to keep it on the 5-minute. Yeah, let's see how it goes here. This is interesting. Looks like there's no stopping the shorts now. So what could the targets be? The weekly short there that could be a target for me over here. And the daily, what does the daily say? Yeah, we heading toward the daily. There. And then back to the 5 minute. Yeah, we're already at that daily, basically right there. So still, best thing to do is to wait for confirmations. So this short fair value gap is worked out there. That one held, right? And then you have many short fair value gaps that's holding. And you have your Thursday turnaround. It's going right through this Tuesday's RDR now. This is the Tuesday RDR. Sorry. Where's the Tuesday RDR here? Yeah. Oh, earlier on I thought it hit the RDR already. So this could actually be a target there. Okay. Yeah, this is going short. It's going to hit this thing. Still no confirmation here. It is already 11 o'clock. When it gets to 11 o'clock and we get a confirmation, that's usually a nice sign that it's going to follow that confirmation. Another thing, when I have a short like this, then the chances that it's going to continue going short, then it's better. I mean, it's good. The open here, if it's more than 20 pips, if this DR is more than 20 pips down, which it looks like it is now, yeah, I think that it's a better chance to that we're going to get a proper short confirmation. This year, this green, this is the RDR of Tuesday. So Thursday turnaround worked out. So, yep, let's see. If I get a confirmation to go short, then I'd probably try for a shorting opportunity. Also, what I like is when there's a fair value gap here, like one fair value gap to the opposite side that failed, like this one. Buying here fails, and then you get one that works in the direction that you want to go. So that's a good thing. Okay, another commentary here after we get our confirmation. So anyway, here really is a setup, yeah, 1 minute, 5 minute gaps, and so the other thing is that your standard deviations, once it hits the 0.5 here, then that's like the low hanging fruit, the first target that you can get. You are also inside the RDR of Tuesday, yeah. So this is an important area. So we are also traveling short, maybe toward the weekly, like we looked at the beginning of the week. Okay. Okay, so here we only have like 20 minutes left here before the DR ends, which means that 20 minutes left for this pricing not to go above this, and that seems to be the case. Yeah, I think we're just going to, or I'm just going to play this according to the DRs whenever it gives us a signal, and then I'll go. This year also, it was a short confirmation, so there were many opportunities to try and get short here after this, and you would have been kicked out if you did. but I mean, it's still at play here. But the thing is that for me, I am looking for a trade maybe tomorrow, and yeah, that will be it then. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.